There she is, waiting for Pee-wee or Lulu to drop some seeds so she can have some. Poor little darling. I feel sorry for that dove. She comes round every day. And I love listening to the canary sound. Next to me is Lulu. I'm taking a rest in the garden. There she is. Playing with clothes pegs. She loves doing that. That's Lulu. She's exactly like a baby, making her little sound. Hey Lulu, what's going on? Hey girl. Hey Lulu. Lulu. What? What? Oh, what happened? Say peekaboo or something. Hey Lulu. I'm just relaxing so much today. Enjoying the whistling of the canaries and the garden looking quite supreme in a way, except for the lawn that needs to be mowed. Just put this a bit forward. And the roses are starting to come round again. Pretty soon I'll be having roses everywhere. Hey Lulu. So peaceful. It's really peaceful to be here. And there's Pee-wee. She's always a chatterbox. Enjoying herself. Hi Pee-wee. Having some seed. Hey Pee-wee. Hey girl. Hi Lulu. She's playing with her toys. What? What? What are you doing? Feet up all day. Just take it easy. Rest, and hopefully sometime soon I'll be out doing some work and cleaning house, feeling well, and going out with some friends. That would be nice. Such a beautiful sunny day.